Ruhonge rwa ugendi ni rumwe rwa honge iria ikoragwo ikimathira bururi wa Kenya utonga munene. Umuthi ugendi wa guku bururi-ini ukionania kwarahuka na gikiro kinene thutha wa gutubio kwa ihinda ni king'uki gia COVID-19. Hindi ya kurekererio kwa riboti ya ruhonge rwa ugendi hari mwaka wa 2022 riu bururi wa Kenya uroneka gukorwo rongereire umithio hari ugendi na gicunji kia 45 hari igana kuma ciringi mbirioni 146.5 nginyagia ciringi mbirioni 268.
This year, Kenya international tourist arrivals were at 1,408,753, representing 70.45% increase as compared to 2021 arrivals.
Kurigana na minister wa ugendi Penina Malonza, maundu riu ti moru ruhonge-ini ruru, agendi magicagura Kenya ta gicukiro gia ikeno na umagari. Bururi wa Amerika ugitongoria na agendi 309,000 gikiari gicunji gia 16 hari igana. Uganda ikirumirira na gicunji gia 12 hari igana, guku na agendi a bururi wa Ngeretha makinyitirira gicunji gia 10 hari igana.
The number of international delegates increased from a total of 3,341 in 2021 to 18,658 in 2022.
The numbers are really looking good. We are almost past where we were before the COVID period, and I strongly want to believe.
Namba ya agendi aria makomire mikawa-ini ya guku bururi-ini onayo ni rongererekeire kuma agendi mirioni 3.1 nginyagia agendi mirioni 3.6 riu undu uyu ugicungirirĩa gucokereria kwa mikawa kuria mieke ya mawira onayo icokereirie.
We have JKIA remains the main entry point, taking 1,062,000 of the total arrivals. That is about 80% of the arrivals. We have more international airports taking 84,000 of that.
Thengia mateta ma hau kabere mate ya Kenya matihimbagiria gucera bururi-ini wao. Mwaka wa 2022 ugacora mbica ĩrĩ na ũtiganu na uguo kuria gicunji kia 64 hari igana kia agendi marari agendi a guku bururi-ini riu undu ukigwetwo ta njĩra ĩrĩ na ũhũthũ muno wa kuongerera umithio ruhonge-ini ruru.
And I want to commend Kenya for coming up very quickly. If you look at the entire Africa region, we are actually way above recovery in terms of the continent itself.
Kuna honge nyingi ikoretwo ikihuthira ukinyaniria wa kiriu kumatha thoko na gukinyira andu aingi makiria. Riu ministry ino nitariirie gwikirira ukinyaniria wa kiriu hari gukinyira agendi kuma ituri ciothe cia thi.
This will include travel, revenue collection as well as marketing. We are going for digital marketing.
Hadunia Kabeme TV, letora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.